I guess I need to practice my hopping more often.
I'm still hiccuping. What if I hop them forever? And ever and ever?
Well, I hate to say this, but maybe I'll just have to stop making spaghetti for dinner, since spaghetti seems to give you the hiccups.
But Mommy, spaghetti is my favorite, and Rosie's favorite, and Daddy's favorite. It wasn't the spaghetti that gave me the hiccups. I know it wasn't. Besides, I think they might be gone. Listen.
Caillou was right. His hiccups have gone away. I scared them away, saying I wouldn't make spaghetti anymore.
No. I think they went away on their own, just like you said they would. But are you really going to stop making spaghetti?
Of course not, Caillou. I was just teasing.
Phew. That's a relief. I love spaghetti.
Too. Spaghetti.
Not right now, Rosie. We just had spaghetti.
But soon, Rosie, we promise. Uh-oh. Now I've got hiccups.
Caillou had realized hiccups go away on their own, with a little patience.